Welcome guys, this is KLK Party Favors. Today I'm going to be creating a gift using this charger plate. I'm also going to be using Gingham Love Fine Fragrance Mist and Body Cream. I'm going to be using the G for Women Perfume, the Hello Gorgeous planner, and I have one of the jewel tipped ink pens to go with that. And I'm also going to include this hydrangea flower head. Okay guys, this is going to be a really simple gift. What I'm going to do is put the planner at the top of the charger, and I'm going to put just a little bit of tape at the top of the planner and take it around the back of the charger to hold that in place. Next, I am going to add my lotion or the body cream. I'm going to add that, and I'm going to use some tape here to hold it in place. And I'm going to pull the tape to the back of the charger. The next one, I'm going to put my fine fragrance mist here, and I have the top of these two fragrances sitting on top of the planner, just resting on top of the planner. And I'm going to try and turn this outward so that the name of the fragrance can be seen. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sit my perfume on top of the planner. And I'm going to just tape it down to the planner. The tape is not going to ruin the planner at all. And then I'm going to sit in the center. I'm going to put just a little bit of tape to hold my flower head down. And let me get my tape here. Just a little bit there, just to hold my flower down, give it a little stability. Okay, so guys, that was one simple and easy gift. Okay, now I'm going to wrap it. Because I have the flower in it, I am going to use cellophane. Let me redo my tape here. I'm going to put a little bit of tape under this fine fragrance mist because it just wants to roll. Okay, that'll kind of help it. Okay. So now I'm going to get my cellophane. Move that over a little bit. Okay. Get my scissors, and I'm going to cut this. I think that's going to be enough there. This is that really thin cellophane, guys. I told you I'm going to make sure I use it up. It is so easy to tear, guys. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to get it centered here. And I'm holding the cellophane right in the center. Let me pick you up some so you can see it. Just a second. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it in the center, holding the front and back, and then I'm going to start gathering in the side. I am going to tape down part of that. So what I'm going to do is use my pipe cleaner here. I'm going to cut some of this and just tape it in the back. Okay, I'm going to get this side over here. Cut some excess off here. Just going to fold it back. I'm just tucking this, putting some tape and tucking it under the charger. The excess cellophane, just taking it under the charger. Alright, so now I'm going to go back. I'm going to do some more adjustments here. Get it all gathered up as best I can. Everything is not perfect. You have to wrap it as best you can. I really don't like it, so I really need practice. I really need practice. Okay, I'm going to cut a lot of this off. Okay. And I have a bow I made up already for it. Okay, guys. Okay, so I think it came out good, guys. Our lotion is visible. Fine fragrance mist is visible. I have our perfume, our planner. It turned out good, guys. All right, so I made me a bow with the ribbon from Dollar Tree. And I just made a bow, 3 loops on each side. I'll get those adjusted once I get this on here. All right, guys. We have finished this, and I think it came out beautiful. Even with the cellophane. All right, guys. I think we did a good job on this one. All right, guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.